Welcome to QuizMonarch. Are you a true fan of Disney's Tangled? Let's find out. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more content. What is the name of the princess in Tangled? Rapunzel. Who is the male protagonist in Tangled? Flynn Rider. What is Rapunzel's magical ability? Healing. What object does Rapunzel use to defend herself? Frying pan. Who kidnaps Rapunzel as a baby? Mother got hell. What color is Rapunzel's hair before it is cut? Blonde. What animal is Rapunzel's pet Pascal? Chameleon. What is the magical flower called in Tangled? Sundrop flower. What is the name of the kingdom in Tangled? Corona. What is the annual event celebrated by the kingdom? Lantern Festival. What does Flynn Rider's real name turn out to be? Eugene Fitzherbert. What does Rapunzel want to see up close? Lanterns. Who voices Rapunzel in the movie? Mandy Moore. What is the first song Rapunzel sings in the movie? What does Mother Got Hell use to keep herself young? A flower. What is the name of the bar Flynn and Rapunzel visit? The Snuggly Duckling. What item does Mother Got Hell bring to Rapunzel as a gift to keep her in the tower? Paints. What is Flynn's wanted poster problem? Bad nose drawing. Who is the main antagonist in Tangled? Mother Got Hell. What happens to Rapunzel's hair when it is cut? Loses its power. What does Flynn Rider steal from the castle? Crown. Who helps Rapunzel escape the tower? Flynn Rider. What does Rapunzel use to heal Flynn's hand? Her hair. What is Flynn's horse's name? Maximus. Who is the leader of the royal guards in Tangled? Captain of the guards. What color are Rapunzel's eyes? Green. What does Flynn Rider dream of owning? An island. Who saves Flynn at the end of the movie? Rapunzel. What does Flynn do to save Rapunzel at the end? Cuts her hair. What happens to Mother Gothel after Rapunzel's hair is cut? She turns into dust. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more.